Hello everyone. Today I am going to use the useState and I will show you some examples how to use useState. Okay. Const use name and set name. useState. Name is the state variable and set name is the function. The set name will change the state variable. Okay, initially my state variable value will be 0. I'm going to import the 0. Sorry, I'm going to import the useState name here. Okay, I imported the useState. I will console the name. Type CLG and click enter. I'm going to console the name value. And I'm going to inspect here and I'm going to open console. Yeah, 0 will be printed. Was printed. Okay. Why? Because the 0 is stored in the name. Okay. Now I'm going to create a button. Button. Okay. This on here I'm going to give on click function. In non click function I'm going to set name plus 1. The set value will set the name plus 1. Here name is 0, name plus 1. Okay, I saved and I am going here. Okay, I am not display the value. I am not display the name value. Okay, now I am going to display the name value in the h1 tag. This is the way you can display your name. Okay, initially I am going to 0 because I already clicked 2 times and I am reloading the page. I click the plus button, the value will increase 0. If I change here 1 into 2, I replace the value 1 as 2. Okay, I'm saved here and I'm going to reload this page. Okay, I click here, it will be 2 because I'm increase the value will be 0. Why? Because this name will be 0 plus 2. Okay, this is the way you can use the useState. I'm going to create again one more button. Click. Okay, here I'm going to give a value as 0. Here I am going to minus 1. Okay, here I reset the value. This will be minus. I'm saved this. I'm going here and I'm going to reload this page. Plus I'm clicking the plus button, the value will be increasing 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, I'm going to click minus button, this will be minus 1. Okay, and now I go to click the reset button. This value will be 0 because I'm here I'm set the value as 0. Okay, you can do in this way or you can create a function here. I will show you here. Add. This is reset. This will be reduce. Okay, copy the and I am going to create functions here. Const okay, I'm created the add function here. Okay, I'm set name as name plus 1. Super. I'm copying this and I will paste it for 3 times, and I am going to change the name class name here. Sorry, function name will be reset, and another one is reduce. Okay, here I am going to change it to 0. This will be minus. Okay, and save this code. Okay, I am reset here. Plus will increase 1 plus 1, and minus will minus the value, and I reset. Okay, here I am going to change here I am going to change the condition. After value reached 3, I am going to increase dash plus 2. Before 3, it will be adding 1 plus 1 plus 1. After 3, it will add 2 2. Okay. Here this is name is greater than or equal to 3. This is the ternary operator. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm saving here. Here my name is 0. Initially my name is 0. Check whether the condition is greater than or equal to 3. If it is condition is satisfied, it will print this. Well, it will run this set name plus 2. Otherwise, it will run this code. Okay, it's like a if condition. I'm saving here. I'm going to reload this page. 1 is increased, and I am clicked second time, and I am clicked third time. It will be 3. I'm clicking fourth time. It will be the 5. After that I am click, it will be increasing 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, and I am reset. Click plus buttons and reduce. This is the way you can use the useState. Okay, thank you.